He was a firefighter killed in Iraq, and today Christopher Raguso was honored in a special way. A rescue vehicle that can be used to help people stuck in extreme weather was named for the fallen Master Sergeant. News 4's Greg Sergel has more on today's emotional ceremony.
If you made a Tonka truck of Chris Raguso, I think it would probably be this truck.
That's why today Suffolk police dedicated this rescue vehicle capable of moving a tank in the name of firefighter and war hero Chris Raguso.
It's a tremendous honor. It does help us get through those dark moments. There's no doubt about that.
Raguso's family was on hand as Suffolk police rolled out the massive vehicle. The unveiling came 17 months after the FDNY lieutenant and Air National Guard Master Sergeant was killed in a helicopter crash in Iraq.
First time I'm seeing it, and it came out beautiful. I didn't realize it was so big.
Carmela Raguso said the truck size fits her husband's spirit, his quest to help others. And that's just how this former military truck will be used to pull vehicles from snowbound streets or areas flooded with water.
It's an impressive truck, and Chris Raguso was an impressive individual.
The truck came to Suffolk County free of charge, courtesy of a military surplus program. But Thomas Edison High School students helped repaint the truck for free, a $40,000 14-month job spearheaded by local businessman Will Castro.
He served, for our country, and he served our community as well, and I wanted to do that for him and his family.
Raguso's two young daughters today climbed all over the truck named for their dad, a vehicle that will serve as a reminder of his legacy of service.
He was put on this earth to be that guy, to make this world a better place, and he did.
Greg Sergel, News 4 New York.